If you're experiencing login errors on Epic Games, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login issues. Try resetting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that your caps lock is not on. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Update the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Epic Games Launcher. Open the launcher and check for updates. If an update is available, install it and then try logging in again. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted cache and cookies can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies if you are logging into a web browser, or clear the launcher as cache by following the appropriate steps for your operating system. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. These services can sometimes interfere with the login process. After disabling, attempt to log in again. If you continue to experience issues after following these steps, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.